Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel once again. In today's video I'm going to show you how to sell your token, your Paws token on KuCoin exchange. In less than 3 hours, Paws will be listed. So what you have to do next for you to go over to trade, and over here you're going to, okay, let me put in my passcode for me to gain access to it. And over here you're going to see BTC/USDT. so let me go over to it, and what you have to do is for you to search Paws. Let me do that and look at it over here on in progress, new. Let me go over to it, and here you'll be able to sell your Paws. Here you can see buy, you have to go over to sell. Let me go over to sell, and over here you're going to see limits. Let me go over to limits. Over at this limit, and it's showing only limit order can be placed during the call auction stage. And what you have to do over to this limit here is for you to take it to market, since you are about to sell it. And because it's many 3 hours for it to be listed, you have to go over and put it on market. And over here limit, you can put the the amount of Paws you want to sell. You can put 100. Let me put 1,000 first, and there is the quantity. You can put 25%, 50%. Here is the amount of USDT. Let me just put 1,000. Yes, you can go over to sell Paws, and what will happen here is that KuCoin are going to send you an email. They're going to send you a code. They're going to send you a code to your email, so you have to go over to your email site to get the code. You can copy it and come over to KuCoin to paste it. When you are done with that, you can go over to send. Then you'll be able to sell your Paws on KuCoin. And this is the end of the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and see you next time. Bye.